Hi, it's Michael from Logic Hop, and in this video I'm going to take you through the steps of our Show WooCommerce products based on geolocation tutorial. The first thing I had done is I went ahead and I downloaded the recipe, and I'm just going to upload this so it automatically creates the conditions for us. I'm in our Logic Hop dashboard and I'm going to click Upload a Recipe. I've navigated to my recipe folder and I'm going to select the JSON file, which is WooCommerce Products by Location, and click Open. This starts the upload process and we can see that the recipe was added and it gives us the full details, letting us know that 3 conditions were added. Clicking on this takes us to the conditions menu and I can see the conditions that were added. This one here is the visitor in California? And the nice thing about our recipes is that it automatically populates all of the information needed for your condition. And it also handles this for logic bars, logic blocks, and goals. I'll look at the other condition for Florida. And again, this is asking the questions outlined in the tutorial. If location, the state or region code, is FL for Florida. And then here's that special condition we talked about. Is the visitor not in California or Florida? And that uses our not in list scenario, which is making sure the user is not in California or not in Florida. You can also use this if the user is in a list. So if you wanted to change those other state conditions to check if the user was in multiple states. So that could be like New York, New Jersey, Connecticut for a tri-state area type of thing. Next, I'm going to jump into our WooCommerce products. And then I'm just going to show you the categories that I had created. Here is one for California and one for Florida. And you'll see that I already have products associated with these categories. I'm going to go into my all products and just show you what I have. Here I have shirts that are for Florida teams and they are categorized with Florida, and then shirts for California teams. Now I'm going to navigate to Appearance, Widgets, and we'll see that I have my storefront homepage widget area. And just like I said, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my TM products carousel widget. Then I'm going to set the condition to be if the visitor is in California, and save that. Go ahead and minimize this. I'm going to add one more here. And then I'll add our final widget. Go ahead and save this. And then you'll see we have our 3 widgets in place in our storefront homepage area. Now, if I go to the Customize menu, and I select Homepage Control, you'll see currently I have product categories checked and featured products. I'm going to go ahead and disable these. And I'm going to go ahead and enable our storefront homepage widget area. And when I do that, I'm actually located in Florida, and you'll see it's going to display What's Up Sunshine State, which is that widget we created with products for Florida sports teams. I'm going to go ahead and click Publish. And then if I come to my incognito window here, this is a way I like to view Logic Hop components when I am editing it, so it doesn't keep me logged in as an editor, it doesn't keep me logged in as an administrator, but it gives me a nice clean browser session. And you'll see again, I'm in Florida, so it says What's Up Sunshine State. Now if I come to Shot Sherpa, I'm going to pick my own adventure. And this is a really cool service where it gives us the ability to take those screenshots. So I'm just going to scroll and select these three: Los Angeles, Manhattan, and Miami. And that's going to give us those locations. So I'll have one in California, one that's not in California or Florida, and one that's in Florida. Let me go ahead and close this, and I'll click Adventure Time. It's going to ask me for where all the tractors are. And here we go, our Sherpas have arrived. So let's take a look at our Los Angeles, our New York City, and our Miami. So this is our screenshot from California, and you just see a snippet of the screen here, but we see our What's Up Cali and our products that are California sports teams. Our screenshot from New York State, and you'll see our featured products, which are hoodies. And then our screenshot from Florida, and you'll see it's What's Up Sunshine State, and this is what we saw from my view, which is those t-shirts there. So as you can see, this is a really powerful way to be able to preview your personalizations for any geolocation you want around the world. And this is an incredibly powerful way so that you can showcase content and products for users from specific regions to really entice them to click and engage in your store. If you have any questions, let us know, and thanks for checking out this tutorial.